people really be spending $300 on Journey Together? I don't think so. Let's have a look. It's Wednesday, my dudes. We're going to look at some Journey Together stuff. We're going to look at basically all the news this week in Pokemon. So if you're interested in that, stick around. I know Prismatic Evolutions is coming out on Friday, so that is something to look out for. And guess what? What if I told you I could get you some Prismatic Evolutions for free? Wow. It's the big fat Prismatic Evolutions giveaway. Do you know how many Umbreons I could fit in this bad boy right here? If you want to be entered in the giveaway, here's what you got to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and just say you're going to be there down in the comments below. I know it's hard to find Prismatic Evolutions, and that's why I wanted to do this giveaway, to give it away to some people who haven't got a shot at it. Let's try to get it in your guys' hands. I have lots of new products available. What do I got? What do I got? I got just about every set you could ask for over here. So let me see you this Friday for the Prismatic Evolutions giveaway party right here on this channel, 6 p.m. Central Time. Back to the video. The more people that show up, the more things I'm going to give away. So be sure to share this video with your friends. Well, it looks like Hop is going to be the star of this set. I already, that pose though, I don't know why he's standing like that. This is the new set that's dropping for Journey Together. It looks like we got Surging Sparks inside here as well. 4 packs total, so I'm going to guess 2 Surging Sparks, 2 Journey Together perhaps in this. This promo card is, okay. It reminds me a lot. I have some of these promos laying around here, and it looks just almost identical. I don't even know where I put them. The special illustration rare does look good. This might be one of my favorite from the Team Up set. I think this, okay, so this is going to be included. No, I guess not. This is something you can pull from the packs. I think this might actually be the ETB promo. And here we have, what is this? Just the mat or what? Booster pack artwork, photo sticker. Okay. Here we have the Joltik from Battle Partners, which will eventually be Journey Together. So this is the Japanese version. We're going to skip around a little bit. I didn't really have time to plan a video very well like I normally do. Here we have the McDonald's. Promotion will run in the United States from January 21st until February 24th. The Dragon Discovery Set. These are going to be very sought after. I like that what they did here with the Dragonite Pikachu combo. It's going to make that a lot more valuable. This is probably going to be collector's items here. Each Happy Meal will come with 4 booster packs containing 1 holo, 15 cards in this set, so not very many. Don't feel like you have to rush out and grab these. Don't feel like the FOMO for these. These aren't really worth anything. If you go back, you can look on TCG Player at any of the old McDonald's sets. They're not worth much because they're just very, very overprinted. So it does look nice. It does look cool, but this is not really something that you're going to want to collect. So here you have your Pikachu, your Miraidon, your Corridon, Trix Hydra. Okay, this, I don't think that's his name, or this. These Draco Chalk. This is Chocolate Draco. These are in a different language apparently. There you go. There's your full set. You also have an Eevee down here and an Umbreon. These aren't going to be new art, so it's not anything too crazy. It's just some of them have the confetti foil, and that's it. Here's your full list here. If you're interested in these, it won't be hard to get. I would say save yourself the trouble. Just buy it on eBay. Buy it somewhere else. It'll be marked up a little bit, but it'll be kind of like the Trick or Trade, where you can get the full set for like probably $10. You know, it's not that crazy. Here are some of the boxes, I think. Is this a side of the box? The package containing the booster packs also come double-sided poster. Oh, it's a poster and stickers. On the reverse side, you can add the stickers, I guess. Oh, these are the posters. There's oh, I see. You put the stickers here on the posters. We have the Premium Tournament Collection releasing in April. That's quite a ways away. You have the Iono box. You have the Cyrus box. You have the Clara box. And you have the Marnie box. Each collection comes with a full art supporter card, foil, of course, 3 additional supporter cards, your 65 card sleeves, deck box, metallic coin, 2 conditions, blah, blah, blah. All the same stuff you're used to. Here's the important part, 6 TCG booster packs. We don't know what is going to be inside of these. Let's see, April, so you might have Prismatic Evolutions in here. It could be inside of here. My guess, though, would probably be main set, so like Surging Sparks, of course, Journey Together. Here are some new cards from Battle Partners, which will be not Prismatic Evolutions, Journey Together. That's a really nice card that I can see being popular. Nothing, too crazy, but people will be a little interested in that. Here we have a few more. Again, Not really all that exciting here. Battle Partners TCG accessories are coming soon. These are pretty cool. These sleeves in the box. Okay. Snorlax. And your Iono. Ooh. That's a cool play mat. I like that. A lot of color going on. This is really nice too. It reminds me of like elves in Magic the Gathering. There's your Mew. And okay, I like that one. That one's has a lot going on here. Okay. So that is the, what are these? Pokemon Center. Looks like it'll be released along with Battle Partners. So if you're interested in that, there are those. We have more Battle Partners here. There's Volcanion EX. Whale Lord, though. That's pretty cool. I like the Whale Lord. What else we got? I think that's pretty much it. We have a trainer here and an arena, looks like. Journey Together officially revealed. Yes, we know this. I'll show you guys, though, in case you haven't seen it. Here's what the deck box looks like. Here is one of the packs. We'll go through all the packs. Of course, there's Hop. Your ETB. These are the ETBs that are selling for a lot right now. I don't think this set's really that strong, so, you know, I would say don't pre-order these. Definitely not at the prices. This is not the Eevee set, guys. Keep your head on your shoulders. This is not the Eevee set. This is all super, super modern stuff. So people aren't probably going to be paying what they're paying for Eevee for this. So don't get yourself in a bind buying something that's not really worth much. There's Zorua. You know, I haven't watched the modern, the anime, so I don't know the names very well. There's the Reshiram. That will probably be the big card of the set. Unless that comes as a promo, then it will not be. I doubt it comes as a promo, though. Also, something worth noting is that these booster boxes come with a promo card now, which is new, a new thing. It's more expensive now than it's ever been before, but that's just the ongoing trend here with Pokemon, is everything is a lot more expensive than it used to be. What was that Tyranitar and the Lugia there? That's pretty cool. I'm going to guess these are sleeves. Your Blaziken. That Mimikyu looks cool. The Clefairy. Ooh, okay. This could also be a heavy hitter. I'd say this is going to be the second top card of the set. Or maybe this. Oof, that's a toss-up. I could see both of these being around the same price. This, I think, it might be the promo. I don't think this is a huge hit for people unless you really love the modern Scarlet and Violet games. I don't think that's going to be something that's super sought after. And it's definitely not going to be anywhere close to what we're seeing in Prismatic Evolutions. So again, just try to not get overhyped in this hype Pokemon bubble we're in. Try to keep it cool. Here is your Tyranitar from Battle Partners, which will be Journey Together. Your Metagross, not really anything too exciting there. Your Charmander and Pikachu Ultra Pro accessories. It's okay. I don't love it. I mean, it's the same Charmander we see all the time. Same with the Pikachu. But hey, if you want a Pikachu or Charmander deck box or playmat or whatever, Ultra Pro, just go to their website. They have these in stock whenever it drops. We don't know the release date. There you go, or the price. So some news about Prismatic Evolutions. I know it's coming out this Friday. I will be doing the live stream this Friday, so be sure to be there if you want your shot at getting some of these in the giveaway. There will probably be multiple giveaways. Just depends on how many people are there. And we're going to cover really quick for Prismatic Evolutions. There are a lot of different promos. So you have your normal reverse, which means I'm just going to cover this because I know a lot of you guys don't know this stuff, and it's fine not knowing it. This is a reverse holo. It means reverse holo because this inside part is not holographic. The reverse, the outer part, is holographic. Reverse holo here. This is a normal reverse trainer, normal reverse Pokemon, normal reverse energy, which is a really bad picture there. Pokeball reverse holo. Pokeball, big Pokeball. There you go. That's how you know that's a Pokeball reverse holo. And it's the same deal with the Pokemon and same deal here. Here's what it looks like on the trainers. I mean, the Pokeball reverse holo is really nice. When people want to do a master set and there are Master Balls involved. This was, I think, only in Japan, but now has made its way to the American cards. This Master Ball set will be all the cards in the set, including the Master Balls. And with Prismatic Evolutions, it is going to be incredibly hard to do. I don't think you're going to see many people at all having a full Master Ball full set collection. It's just insane. These cards from Terrestrial Festival are going to be the promos you'll find in the blister packs. Jolteon, Sylveon. So here you go. There they are. They're going to be inside of, or the tech sticker collections as well. That's what they decided to do with these. I'd have been fine these not being in those and just being something you could pull. I think it'd been more fun, but that's what they do with the promos. Here's the Espeon and the Umbreon, the Cake Eevee and the normal Eevee EX, and the Umbreon. This sold for $18,000 on eBay not too long ago, just a couple days ago. If you want to know more about Prismatic Evolutions, I have a video right here where I go through the full set, break it down, what cards are going to be worth what, blah, blah, blah. Everything you need to know about Prismatic Evolutions right here. Check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you Friday and in the next video.